The reason for increasing investment in research and development is because it's going to be really important for the industrial strategy, for the economy, and the 2.4% target is all about achieving prosperity for citizens. So typically in OECD countries, about a third of the investment comes from the public sector and two-thirds for the private sector. And so the target is really about making sure that we provide an environment in which business is prepared to invest. To have a good economy, to have strong research and innovation is all about people at the end of the day. And of course there's a global competition for the best talent. An important job for UK research and innovation is to develop talent, and it's a really important part of our work. So we have everything from graduate student programs all the way through to future leaders programs and fellowships for the most senior people. It's important for industry as well. One of the things that industry looks at when it decides where to invest is whether the talent is there. So it's a real challenge. If you take areas like artificial intelligence, then we're investing in large numbers of new graduate students and fellowships. I think universities need to focus. We're very focused on what we can make a difference to, which is actually providing a very strong environment for research and innovation. The great thing about our universities is that we have amongst the strongest universities in the world, as the Times Higher League tables show. And our job is to get on and make sure that we continue to be attractive to people from all over the world, which we are, that we bring people through. And importantly, at a time of global turmoil, we do actually, one of the university's most important functions is actually about the values of rigour, of scepticism, of freedom of speech. All of that's really important, and we have to get on with what we're good at. UKRI has just published a series of delivery plans. We have a very clear direction going forward, and obviously we'll depend on what happens in future spending reviews, but we're absolutely clear we have a very long-term plan.